everybody, my name is Joshua Winkins, and welcome back to another video. Now this video, as the title says, is a review on what's on my iPhone, and I know a lot of you guys probably just don't care about what's on my iPhone, but I hope to kind of, with this video, inspire you guys. If you just got your new iPhone, you're not sure what to put on it, I'll go ahead and just tell you guys what you should put on it. I'll just give you guys some ideas. I'm a tech person. I love lifestyle, fashion, so if you're that kind of person and you love social media, this video is probably for you. If you're not, then it may not be for you. So let's go ahead and just jump right into the video. So we've got right here, as you guys can see, the front screen. We've got generic apps just like FaceTime, calendar, photos, weather. Your very basic, generic, pre-downloaded, pre-installed Apple apps. So we have right here, I'm not opening Wallet. So we have Home, Apple Home, whatever you want to call it. It's nice, kind of smart devices. You can connect it to all your, have everything at your fingertips. Like you can set scenes. It doesn't just have to be lights, it can be locks, security cameras. For example, you can see that red light right there. Go ahead and turn that off just with a click of the button. That's pretty cool. If you're not a fan of that, then whatever. But if you are, then it's really cool to just, like I said before, control everything with just your phone. It's amazing where we are now today, where just everything is right at our fingertips. So I know I just keep talking, but it's so much fun. But then you've got all these other generic apps, tips, podcasts, find my iPhone, find friends, contacts, files, watch. You've got utilities, voice memos, a calculator, compass, and measure, clips, iMovie, iTunes, U. Let's just get that right out of the way. Those are just pre-installed Apple apps. And if you are a social media influencer like me, or you just love social media, you've got to have YouTube, Instagram, IGTV, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, and Snapchat downloaded. If you don't have them downloaded, what are you doing with your life? I'm sorry to anybody that I offended that hates social media. But that's my personal preference, that's my bias, and I'm sticking to that. But like I said before, if you don't know what to put on your iPhone, there's just start with your social media links. If you love social media, those are the first thing that I downloaded. This is the first thing that you should download. Also, I've got YouTube Studio, which is very helpful. As you guys can see, my analytics. Probably shouldn't share them, but whatever. I got my watch time, views, subscriber change. I've just got all these analytics right at my fingertips. So I do have my computer. Obviously, I can see my analytics, but to be able to see them right off my phone is really helpful for me to kind of see which videos did well, which videos did poorly. Also got YouTube TV. If you are not paying for that subscription, then you probably don't really care, but people that do, or if you haven't bought YouTube TV yet, I highly recommend buying it. It's really helpful. It's nice to have cable-free TV. I personally love it. Have no problems with it at all. So if you're on the fence, then go ahead and buy it. I also have Google folder right here if you don't know what to download with Google. I don't have Chrome, I don't have Slides, but I've got Classroom, Docs, Drive, Gmail, and just Google. That just helps me to, if I don't have my computer with me, I'm on school, I need to write a paper, I need to email my teacher, stuff like that. If I don't have my computer with me, I kind of need another alternative, or if I forgot my computer runs out of battery, so on. I just need a way to do stuff on my phone. It's really helpful. You got Trailers right here. It's an app. I think it's actually made by Apple. Open it up. It just shows you all the stuff that's near your location, top charted movies, features. You're just always on the know or in the know of just new videos that are coming out, new movies and whatever. We got Trivago, which is just a hotel booking site. Pretty obvious if you don't know that. But here's where the fun happens, and here's where if you're a fashion YouTuber, you're really going to like this page. My third page is the fun page. So right here, I do have End right here, and what this just helps me do is just stay up to date with new stuff that's coming out. I obviously have Hype Beast here. That just helps me, like I said before, with End, helps me just stay up to date with news, fashion. If you personally don't like that kind of stuff, then I'm not offended if you don't, but if you do like that kind of stuff, then those are just two apps that I personally love. And then comes my shopping apps. Pretty obviously, I'm pretty regularly on these apps. I'm always on guests. As you can see, I just bought the purse. That video with surprising my mom with a guest purse, that was probably one of my biggest videos. It's amounted to the most views, most likes, faster than any video that I've ever had. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't, go ahead and watch that video after this video. It's really fun. I bought my mom like an $80 guest purse. We just unboxed it, had fun. We were both wearing matching guest shirts because I got her one in New York City on her birthday. Sometime in the summer, I can't remember the exact date. But we also have Amazon here, pretty obvious. It's definitely want Amazon for sure. And also we have Adidas. It's just, if I'm an Adidas fanboy, what can I say? You don't see any Nike in here? Because I'm an Adidas fanboy. I've got nothing else to say. I can't disprove that statement. I'm holding that statement. I love Adidas. It's better than Nike. I don't care. Nike lovers suck. I didn't mean that at all. But also, along those lines, just the Apple Store. Again, you don't see any Samsung Store because I dislike Samsung users. That's not true. I love you guys. Anyways, guys, but so if you Apple user, you have an iPhone, whatever, it's just nice place to go ahead and look for the latest products. I don't know what else to say much there. We've also got StockX. It's really nice to just see the market price from these big hypebeast brands. If you personally are a hypebeast reseller, which I am thinking about doing in the future, foreshadow for something that's about to come, and StockX, don't worry, I don't just have StockX just to show off and say, ooh, look, I'm cool. I'm gonna make cool purchases on StockX, hundreds of dollars. That's a foreshadow for some really cool videos that are coming up. So look out for those. We've also got H&M. Guess is more expensive, but I've got H&M right here. It's just if you want some cheap prices, you don't want a really expensive brand, you want to sacrifice quality, H&M is a great place to shop for clothes. We also have SneakerCon right here, which I personally don't use that much. I want to go to a SneakerCon at some point. Who knows when that will happen? But I also have Stadium Goods there just to see hypebeast brands. I don't personally have the money to do it, but I just have it because I love the culture of fashion. Right here I also have Canva. I'm not going to show you that because there's a video dedicated to Canva at some point coming. But as you guys can see, here's Lightroom. I'm not paying for the monthly fee or yearly fee. I'm just paying for the free version. I can just edit a photo and be done. So as you saw, that was my last Instagram photo. But I obviously have PayPal and my bank. I'm obviously not opening that up. I don't want you guys to see that. But I also have just my food apps. I do have a Subway nearby, Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. I don't have a Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks near me. They're about an hour away. But when I am near one, it's nice to just see what's on the menu. I can just prepare and stuff like that. You guys can see it right there. Also, at Best Buy. And like I said, I'm a tech YouTuber, so of course, I'm going to have tech stuff. Whatever. So, I also have Google Home because I have a Google Home Mini. Pretty obvious, I just want to connect it. I have YouTube Music and it's fun. I don't pay for the monthly thing, but it's nice to just see popular music. Again, if you guys haven't noticed before, I'm a popular person. Not popular person, I mean I love popularity. I kind of just go for the trends. I kind of go for the brands. That's why all my videos are about big brands. Apple, because I get sucked into the hype. I'm sorry about that, people that don't like that. But I have Supreme here. I don't personally buy myself a Supreme yet, but like I said, it's a foreshadow for videos that are about to come where I do try to purchase Supreme. You guys get ready for that if you guys love Supreme. And right here's Clash of Clans, Angry Birds Pop. It's an offline game I just like playing for fun. Fortnite I don't really play that much. Clash of Clans I don't really play that much. I'm not a gamer. I'm sorry to everybody who's a gamer. I don't mean to offend you, but I'm just not a gaming person. So that's basically it. Those are all the apps. You got Gas, Hypebeast, Amazon, StockX. Just some hopefully inspirational ideas for you guys. If you don't know what to download on your iPhone, hopefully that gave you some cool ideas what to download. Anyways, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also, leave a like on this video. And if you guys are watching this on Facebook, go ahead and give me a follow on Facebook and like my page. Anyways, guys, and comment down below, what do you think of these apps? Apps I shouldn't have on there, apps you have, apps I should get, and whatever. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys next Sunday. Like always, peace!